beauties. From now on, just going to be our greetings, guys, so kindly bear with me and get used to it. Okay, all right, so today's video I'm going to be making mango body scrub. Okay, so if that sounds like something you are interested in, kindly sit back and watch this video till end. Please watch it to end. Okay, and do not forget to like, comment and share with friends and family. And if you are new here, my name is Esther Liawoye. I'm a Ghanaian YouTuber, and this channel is about natural skincare remedies and a bit of lifestyle. Okay, so if you like what you're seeing, kindly subscribe and join this beautiful family, and do not forget to hit on notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. All right, and to my returning subscribers, you guys, I don't know what to tell you. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, take this. All right, so let's just begin mixing the scrub. Okay, so I have all the ingredients with me here. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, so I have with me here my peeled mango. Yeah, I did that off camera because I did not want to prolong this video. Okay, and my honey, that's 1 teaspoon, and my powdered milk, which is needle or milk powder, a bowl to mix, and blender to blend. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour the mango inside the blender and blend it. Okay, and I'm going to do that off camera as well because I don't want to make this video long. And okay, so that is it. I'm going to blend it. I'm not going to add any water to it. I'm just going to blend it this way. Okay, so please keep watching, do not go anywhere. I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, this is the outcome of my mango blend. Okay, hope you can see what I'm doing. I just pour it in the bowl, making sure everything is inside. Wow, this smells very good. I love the smell of this mango. Okay guys, so this is it. I'm going to add honey, which is 1 teaspoon of honey. Now I'm going to add my milk powder, 1 teaspoon of it. Okay. It is magical. So now I'm going to stir everything together. Let me bring the camera closer. So guys, our scrub is ready for use. Okay, this is it, very colorful and easy to make. This is how I'm going to apply it. I think I showed you in my last body scrub video I did that you need to take your bath and wash your skin with warm water or hot water, not in hot. Yeah, a bit like a honey hot. Then you use your own body shower to bath in everything before you apply the scrub on your skin. But because of this video, I'm just going to apply it for you guys to see. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. So I'm just giving a bit of example here. All right, so this is it. You need to massage it through your skin in a circle motion. Okay. Yeah, just be doing this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, just be doing it, be rubbing it on your skin, all over your skin, guys. For the sake of this video, I'm using it on my hand. Okay, let's just go through the hand here. Okay, and this is going to give your skin a very softer skin. It's going to give you a soft, beautiful, glowing skin. Okay, and it's going to take away all dead cells. All dead cells. All right, guys. So I'm still massaging it into the skin. I'm massaging it into the skin. Okay. So this is going to give you a brighter and beautiful skin. Just have a look at it. I've not washed it, but you could see how bright the skin is. So guys, I just wash it off. Okay, I just wash it off. So just have a look at it. See how bright my skin, and it feels very soft. My skin feels very soft. Okay, just look at it. See how bright and beautiful my skin look. The skin look very bright. You could tell for yourself that the skin really look very bright. That is it for you guys. If you like what I've shared with you, kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment and share with friends and family. Okay, catch you in the